I'm going to give you a tour of a Havana Cabana, room number 8287. As you come in the door, you'll have your bathroom to the left or the right. I think some of them are exact opposite, but our bathroom is to the left. Decent sized bathroom for cruise ship. All kinds of shelves. There's also some storage here on the bottom. To the right are our closets. As you can see, my clothes are here. A couple of pull-out drawers. Drawer on the bottom, which I store shoes in. And the safe. The shelf where my bag is sitting, you can raise that up and make that longer. And they have hangers here if you don't bring your own. Second closet is my husband's things. This shelf and this shelf also raise up and connect if you need longer hanging. And the full-length mirror is here on this door. As you come in, you got your TV. And little tip, we do bring some magnetic hooks to just hang some things on. We've got 2 over here and 3 or 4 over there where you can hang wet bathing suits, swim trunks, and decorate it up with Cuban theme. And you have a couple of shelves with a light and a USB port on each side of the bed, but there are no plug-ins. You can see the 3 switches here. They turn the lights on and off in the room. The only thing it doesn't turn off is the light around the mirror, and you do have to turn that off, but you can turn the rest of them on and off from your bed. If you do need anything, like a CPAP or anything, you will have to have an extension cord to run from the plugs. And here's the light switch for around the mirror. And as you can see, the plugs, we have an extension cord, and here's what you actually have. You got some USBs. You got just your regular plug, so you got 3 regular plugs there, and then your USBs. Couple of shelves. This ottoman does have storage, and obviously you have your couch here, and you have 3 drawers here, which gives plenty of storage. Little small refrigerator here, and a couple of reading lights. No, actually just 1 reading light beside the couch. And then the thing that we really love about this cabin is the cabana. Here you have your little private cabana with a lounger, a table, a chair, and a swing. I love the swing. Now you may hear some wind because the wind is blowing today. Hopefully the sun's gonna come out and give us some pretty weather today. But you also have these 2 lounge chairs there and the table that goes directly with your room. And as you look down through here, you can see the other cabanas. And down this way, as you go through the brown door down there, there's a bar and a pool and a seating area that is reserved only for the Havana rooms, and you have to have on your wristband, your white wristband. Well, ours is white this week. There'll be different colors, but you do have to have on the wristband that they will provide for you, and that will be laying in an envelope on your table as you come into the room. And we really enjoy the Havana. Hope this is useful. Have a good day.